Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create add to cart in Pega. So here I'm taking Nike application to create a add to cart in Pega. First, let us create a case type called place order. And here I'm adding a stage called search product. Select product and cart. And click on select product, configure view, add field, search item, and the type is pick list. Here you can set the search box, and by default you can leave it the local action. And here I'm adding a choice called Puma shoes, like Puma. Okay, submit and submit again, and click on save. Then go to data types and create a one data type for shoes. Here I'm taking the shoes list only. And add fields. Here I'm taking the product ID, name, brand, color, size, price, and price should be the currency. And the type means the running shoes, the casual shoes, like that. Submit. It's not the drop down. You can use the drop down, but here I'm taking the text only. Submit and save. Then go to records, configure source, and click on this product ID and submit. The records will be created. Close. And here I'm adding some products. Then ID is A1 and product name is like shoes, and brand is Puma, color black, size 11, price is something around 1500, and product ID A2. If you want, you can take the product image also, add the field like product image and import the image. If you can't find how to import the images in Pega, there is a video in my channel, you can go through it. The product name issues. Same brand, Puma, white, and the size is 10. And the cost is around 2000, and save. And I forget to define the type. Issues, and here also issues, save. Now whenever the user search the shoes in this case type, The list of shoes with respect to the user objective will display under this case type. So I have to create a report definition for that. Just refresh this data types and expand this and open the list. You have to save as this list, and here the name is fetch choose list, create and open, and same, open this report definition and save as the report definition, and rd shoe list, create and open, and here I'm passing the parameter type issues means and shoes, and the type is text and query. Then go to the column dot name and param dot name, and go to the settings and click on this checkbox, submit, save, and copy this id, that is rd shoe list, and place it here, and again pass the same parameters called name, and go to definition, go to parameters, and pass the parameters here, and submit and save it. And we have to create a section in the data class. Why? Because the properties are in the data class only. So go to the data hyphen shoe list and create a section, and the section name is shoes. Create and open, convert to full section editor, submit, data types, property, and just call two dynamic layouts here. These for the view purpose only. Just click on the main dynamic layout and change the layout format to inline grid double and click on submit. Then brand and the name, and you can drop the price here, size, type, and here you can call the button called add to cart. Just do all these properties to read only. And when you are doing the currency properties only read only, just change this, the alignment is left, and submit. And the size also should do the read only. You can set the size is the integer, I forget to set that. And the button change, the button name is add to cart. Presentation, strong actions, add an action, and you click on that button. You have to run the data transform. dt shoes are add shoes. Open the data transform and create an open, and here put the comment and just save it. Just leave this data transform. I will update this and go to this section and click on submit and save, and go to the work class and go to the place orders, and in the respect to user interface section, there you can find a select product section. Just go to this section and convert to full section editor. Click on submit, and you have to call one repeating dynamic layout here, and you have to specify the source with respect to the data page that we already created. What's that? D underscore fetch details. Okay. So here you have to pass the parameters, that is the parameter called search items, and submit. Don't save. If you save, the repeating dynamic should be blocked. Just go to the data class, and from the user interface section you have to drag and drop this section, and after that you have to save. Okay, here I'm changing this dynamic layout in a grid double and submit. Save it again and go to the case type place orders and click on the cart and go to configure view. Add the field called cart, and the type is embedded, and here the type option is list of records. Why? Because more than one items also should be added by the customer, and the data object should be the shoes list, and click on submit, and all the properties should be under the read-only format. If you want to set in these properties in order, you can set by using the section, and read-only submit. So click on save, and let me run the case type. So the thing is, when the user enter the product name, that is shoes, click on enter, the product details with respect to the shoes will be displayed. When the user click on the add to cart, the product detail should be added in the cart section. So we have to create a data transform. We already created. We have to implement the data transform. So first we have to go to the data transform, that is add shoes, and here we have to find out what is the source and what is the target. So source is definitely these product values. These property values is from the data class only. Just go to the data transform, and you have to set this as append to, and the relation is current source page, and we have to add the page list property that we already created, the page list property called cart. So but the page list property cart is under the work class, but the data transform is created under the data class. So just go to page and classes, and we have to give the py work page, and we have to add the class that is Nike hyphen work something, Nike store work. Okay, fine. Definition. and just go to the your page dot. I have to give the correct class, work hyphen place order, yeah, and definition. Then we'll get the cart and click on save, and then go to the launch portal and place order and search for the shoes. Just click on enter. You will get the all shoe details. If I want to add these two particular, just click on this add to cart and this add to cart, and you click on submit. All these shoe details will be copied to the cart section. So here you can find the all those shoe details. When I click on two buttons, the shoe details will be copied into the cart section. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any doubts, please comment below. So sorry for the 1 month I'm not uploading the videos. I'm busy in some other works and my health is not good. So I have another request from you guys, that is, so many were asking about how to cancel the order. I will definitely upload the video by tomorrow. And if you have any doubts, please comment below. I try to do some of the videos like that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.